There's no other place. Imagine you're going on a journey where everything's mentioned in the Quran. You're going on an Islamic journey where you've learned all of these things. There is no other journey where you can say, I am going to the places of our deen, or our religion, mentioned in Quran. So Makkah is a very, very special place. Now, brothers and sisters, when it comes to Hajj, you need to focus on the prize. When things get tough, focus on the prize. When you're not sure what to do, focus on the prize.
This is the first formal kind of training that we're doing in preparation for Hajj, so I'm already feeling a little bit more prepared than I was when I first stepped in today. I'm sure you can agree.
The insights, the experience he's sharing over the years he has had.
Yeah, today's workshop has been really informative, and it's very helpful. It's very helpful.
Very helpful. A lot of information that I didn't know. I was actually contemplating should I go or not because I'm busy, but it's been very good.
Prophet ﷺ said, from one Umrah to the next is an atonement for any sins committed in between, and the reward for an accepted Hajj is nothing but Jannah. Anybody want anything else?
I think it was an amazing day. The joy I see in the people's eye, the excitement I see, it's amazing. And that can interrupt, how people are eager to come for Hajj, inshallah.